So here we are in the 3D issue editing suite here. As you can see, we have the front cover of the first PDF that we uploaded here. I'm just going to take you through some of the tabs and where we'll be changing some of the options. We have page interactivity, where we set the options for the functionalities of the whole book and within the actual pages. We then have keyword search and a preview of where we can see what the publication will look like to the end reader. First of all, within this page interactivity tab though, I want to take your attention to the publication settings. Now this is the settings for the publication as a whole, so we're setting the settings for the book, not the pages yet. We'll do that in a moment. So here we go. We can select what page the numbering starts on. Now it's generally 1, but if you have a contents menu or pages within your publication that are, say, 3 pages, the actual first page could start on page 4, so we can alter that here. Then we have our features list. Now this is what we will enable our end reader to be able to do with the publication. So will we enable a contents menu? Will we allow the reader to print, send to friend, have the search facility, and so on? So we select or deselect any of the options that you want the end reader to be able to do. Next we have the zoom options. Now this is basically saying when the reader zooms in, do we want them to zoom into a single page or a double page? And once they're zoomed in, how do we want them to navigate around the page? By mouse movement or click and drag? Do we want them to zoom to 100% or browser width? And does this need to be disabled for any pages? If you've purchased the silver version of the software, you will be able to download an offline edition. So we can select that here. Always make sure if you're going to do that, you need to select this option here. Or you may have your original PDF that you want them to be able to download. So we select that there. Now there's one piece of dynamic script that 3D issue software uses. Now this is for the send to a friend feature. Now for this dynamic script, we just need to state whether your server is supported by ASP or PHP, so that's selected there. Now we've selected all the options and set the properties of the book as a whole. So next we're going to look at the 3D issue content system, which is this expandable menus section here.